Hi everybody, welcome back to English online class once again. I hope all of you are doing great and all of you have enjoyed your vacations to the fullest. Okay, so today we are going to do the phonic sound of this alphabet. Can you tell me the name of this alphabet? Correct, this is capital R. So this is the face of R, right? This is how the alphabet R looks like. Now let us hear how does the R sounds like, okay? The sound of R is R, R, R. Yes, everybody repeat after me. R. Very good children, it's very easy, right? Okay, now let's see some R sound words, okay? So here comes the first one. This is an animal, right? It's a very cute animal. All of us know the name of this animal. It loves to eat carrot. What is the color of the carrot, children? Do you know? Yes, it is orange. The color of a carrot is orange. And what is the name of this animal? It is rabbit. Very good. Rabbit. Okay, now let's see the next word. This is very easy, right? All of you know the name of this animal. We see this animal sometimes at our house also, right? Cats love to chase this animal. Very good. This is rat. Rat. Okay. Now let's see the next word. Okay, who can tell me what is this? Can you tell me, children, what is our staple food? What do we have the most? Generally, in all of our households, we have this in our lunch, at our dinner, with pulses and chicken, fish, egg. So this is our main primary food. So this is very good. Rice. This is rice. It is generally white in color, right? Rice. Okay. Now let's see what is the next word. Wow. What a beautiful flower. This is a flower, right? And the smell of this flower is really nice, right children? So what is this flower called? This is very good. Rose. This is called rose. There are different colors of rose, okay? There is white rose, there is red rose, there is yellow rose. There are different colors of rose that we have. Okay, children? So this is rose. Very good. Now let's see the next word. Wow, this is so colorful, right, children? So, do you know what is this? We see this at the sky. Very good. This is called a rainbow. This is called a rainbow. Do you know, children, how many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Okay, children? So, rainbow. Okay. Now let's see the last word. Do you know what is this? This is something new, right? Can you tell me where do we see this? Suppose we enter someone's house. Before entering their house, we see this lying in front of the door, right? So that we can brush our legs and then we can step inside, right? And also sometimes we see this in front of our beds, so that before stepping on the ground, we put our legs on this and then we step out, right? This is called a rug. Rug. Yes, everybody repeat after me. Rug. Okay? Rug. Very good, children. So let's do a quick recap of today's work. Okay? So what is the sound of R? The sound of R is R. R. Very good. Now what are the words that we did? Rabbit. Yes. Rat. Good. Rice. Very good. Rose. Good. Rainbow. Very good. And at last we did rug. Very good, children. So please practice this nicely at home, okay? I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, all of you take care of yourselves, okay? Bye-bye.